Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reinvest dividends on IBKR step by step. I'll be showing you this on the client portal web interface. First, click the user menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. It's the head and shoulders icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, click on settings. The settings page will load with various sections. Now click on trading in the settings menu. You'll see trading related options appear. Next, click on Dividend Election. This is under the Trading section. The Dividend Election page will load, showing your default dividend payout options. By default, dividend reinvestment is turned off for stocks, meaning you just receive cash. To enable reinvestment, select the Reinvest option for stocks. It'll be a toggle or checkbox in the Dividend Election panel. Once you click it, the Reinvest option will become highlighted. Keep in mind, this applies to all dividend-paying stocks in your account. You can't pick and choose which specific dividends to reinvest at this stage. If you want control over individual positions instead, click Show/Hide Positions. A list of your long positions will appear with individual payout options for each. You can set reinvestment on a per-stock basis here. Though this is optional, most people just use the account level setting. If you also hold mutual funds, you'll see a separate reinvest option for those on the same page. You can enable that too if needed. For mutual funds, the change won't take effect until the 5th business day of the following month. Once you've made your selections, click Continue at the bottom of the page. A confirmation screen will appear. If this is your first time enabling DRIP, you might see a dividend reinvestment agreement. If prompted, type your name exactly as shown in the signature field, then click Next. You'll see a confirmation that your agreement has been recorded, and that's the setup complete. A few things to note: on the morning after IBKR confirms receiving your dividend payment, they'll automatically use that cash to buy more shares. You will be charged a small commission on these purchases, even if you're on IBKR Lite, but it's only $0.005 per share. Also, if you want to reinvest the full dividend amount and not just whole shares, enable fractional share trading first. You can do this in Settings under Account Settings, then Trading Permissions. Check your next dividend statement to verify everything's working. You should see share purchases instead of cash credits. One last thing, if your account is in a margin deficit and can't open new positions, dividends won't reinvest even with this setting enabled. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.